Welcome to Technia TV. I am Dr. Shambhu Sharan Gupta, Faculty of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, we will discuss firstly about meaning of development. Development means a progression from a simpler or lower to a more advanced, mature or complex form or stage. It is also defined as the gradual advancement or growth through a series of progressive change. Development is a process, not a label. It is a path to achieve certain goals. Development and communication are two terms having different conceptions and a richness of usage and functions shaped by their various theoretical underpinning. Such richness often leads to ambiguities and a lack of clarity that affects the field of development communication. The wide range of interpretations of key terminology and the rapid evolution of some concepts have led to inconsistencies in the way basic terms are understood and used. What we have here, in fact, is more of an approach than a discipline. Development is described the growth of humans throughout the life's span from conception to death. The scientific study of human development seeks to understand and explain how and why people change throughout life. This includes all aspects of human growth, including physical, emotional, intellectual, social, perceptual, and personality development. In other words, development is the removal of poverty, reducing of disparity between regions and classes, the buildings, technological infrastructure, modernization of society, removal of tribalism and superstition, which will help in the gradual achievement of economical self reliance. Development communication is communication with a social conscience. It takes human into account. Development communication is primarily associated with rural problems but is also concerned with urban problems. It has two primary roles, a transforming role as it seeks social change in the direction of higher quality of value of society. In playing its roles, development communication seeks to create an atmosphere for change as well as providing innovations through which society may change. According to Nora Kubrel, 1975 defined development communication as the art and science of human communication applied to the speedy transformation of a country from poverty to a dynamic state of economic growth and makes possible greater economic and social equality and the larger fulfillment of human potential. Quebrel describes the genesis of the term development communication and its parameters, which grew out of the field of agricultural communication. The term was coined to include under it, apart from agriculture development, areas of national development such as population, nutrition, health education, housing, and employment, etc. Development communication was considered an appropriate term to describe the scope, direction, and structure of the discipline. According to Rogers, development is participatory process of social change in society intended on bring out both social and national advancement for the majority of people and through them gaining greater control over their environment. According to Todro, development is a complex process of social, cultural, attitude, and economic changes for which we should strive for the fulfillment of basic needs of people. He says development must be conceived as a multidimensional process involving major change in social structure, popular attitude, national institution as well as increase of velocity of economic growth and eradication of poverty. Development must be turned to the diverse basic need and desire of individuals and social groups. The concept of development communication arose within the framework of the contribution that communication and the media made to development in the countries of the third world. Development communications are organized effort to use communications processes and media to bring social and economic improvements generally in developing countries. The field emerged in the late 1950s amid high hopes that radio and television could be put to use in world most disadvantaged countries to bring about dramatic progress. Wilbur Sram in 1964 was the first to recognize that communication could play an important role in the national development of the third world countries. He believed that mass media could better the lives of people by supplementing the information resources and exposing people for learning opportunities. SRAM conceptualization of interaction between mass communication and development become the focus of many development programs. One more personality, Daniel Lerner, based their higher expectation upon the apparent successes of World War II propaganda to which academia and Hollywood had contributed. I hope understand this entire subjects. For more videos, likes and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.